Ever wondered why some people seem to have their money work for them, while others always find themselves stuck in a financial rut? Well, the secret isn't buried treasure or a winning lottery ticket. It's financial literacy. Yes, that's right. Understanding how to manage money effectively is a game changer, no matter who you are or what your bank balance looks like right now. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to get back on track, knowing the basics is crucial. Financial literacy isn't just about counting pennies or saving for a rainy day. It's about making informed decisions, setting achievable goals, and navigating the financial world with confidence. So, if you've ever felt like your money is managing you rather than the other way around, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we'll share 10 simple rules that could transform the way you handle your money. Rule number 1, know your income and expenses like the back of your hand. Consider this: when you're navigating a new city, isn't it far easier when you have a map? The same principle applies to your finances. Understanding your income and expenses is like having a financial map, guiding you towards your financial goals. So let's break it down. Income is the money that flows into your pocket. This could be from your job, side hustles, or even that antique vase you sold online. On the flip side, expenses are the money you spend. It's everything from your morning coffee, your monthly rent, to the birthday gift for your niece. Now, why is it crucial to understand these two elements? Well, you can't plan a journey without knowing your starting point, right? Your income and expenses are your financial starting point. Knowing exactly how much money is coming in and going out is the cornerstone of financial literacy. It's the first step towards gaining control of your finances and setting yourself up for success. But here's the catch. The understanding part is up to you. No one else can do it for you. It's your money, your journey. So, take the reins and start mapping out your financial landscape today. Remember, just like a business, your personal finances need a balance sheet. Moving on to rule number 2, set financial goals. Imagine your finances as a ship. Without a destination, that ship would just drift aimlessly. The same goes for your money. Without clear goals, your finances might just float around, directionless. Now, what kind of goals are we talking about? Well, they're usually categorized into short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Short-term goals could be saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt. Medium-term goals might include saving for a down payment on a house or starting a business. Long-term goals, on the other hand, could be retirement savings or funding your child's education. These goals act as your financial compass, guiding your decisions and helping you prioritize your spending. They give your money a purpose, and who doesn't like to have a purpose, right? So, sit down, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, what are my financial goals? Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Scene script. Rule number 3, create a budget. Enter the world of budgets. It's not as scary as it sounds, I promise. Think of it as your personal financial roadmap. It's your ticket to financial freedom, your guide through the wilderness of income and expenses, and your compass towards achieving your financial goals. A budget is essentially a plan for your money. It's like a diet for your wallet. But don't worry, this diet includes plenty of financial treats. It helps you understand where your money is going, and more importantly, it helps you direct where it should go. You see, without a budget, your money is like a ship adrift at sea. It can end up anywhere. But with a budget, you become the captain of that ship. You have the power to navigate through the stormy seas of unexpected expenses and sail towards the sunny shores of financial stability. Creating a budget is quite simple. Start by listing all your sources of income and all your expenses. Then, divide your expenses into categories like food, rent, entertainment, and so on. This way, you can easily see where most of your money is going and where you might need to make some adjustments. Remember, a budget is not about restricting your spending. It's about understanding and controlling it. It's about ensuring that you're spending less than you're earning and saving enough to reach your financial goals. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Rule number 4, save and invest. You see, your money can be an army of dollar bills, marching out each day to work for you. It's about making your money work, not just you working for your money. Saving is the first step. It's the safety net, the rainy day fund, the just-in-case stash. But it's not enough to just save. That's where investing comes in. Investing is like planting a seed and watching it grow. You're putting your money into ventures or assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. It could be real estate, stocks, bonds, or even starting your own business. The goal is to create a stream of income that works independently of your labor. It's the secret to building wealth and achieving financial goals. Remember, wealth is not about having a lot of money. It's about having a lot of options. Don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Rule number 5. Understand credit. Think of credit as a tool in your financial toolbox. It's like a chainsaw, powerful when used correctly, but potentially destructive when mishandled. Credit can help you achieve your financial goals, such as buying a house or a car. However, it's not free money and must be repaid with interest. The key to using credit wisely is responsibility. Pay your bills on time, every time. Keep your credit utilization, that's the percentage of your total credit that you're using, low. Ideally, you'll want to keep it under 30%. And remember, your credit score is like your financial reputation. It's how lenders determine your creditworthiness. A good score can open doors, giving you access to better interest rates and terms. On the other hand, a poor score can limit your opportunities and cost you more in the long run. Good credit is a powerful tool, but bad credit can be a heavy burden. Rule number 6. Protect your wealth. Let's think of your wealth as a castle. You've built it brick by brick with hard work and smart decisions. But what good is a castle without a moat, a drawbridge, or some guards? That's where insurance comes in. It's your financial moat, protecting your fortress of wealth from unexpected disasters. Health insurance, car insurance, homeowners insurance, they all serve to safeguard your assets from unforeseen catastrophes. But protection doesn't stop at insurance. Diversifying your investments is another way of defending your castle. By spreading your wealth across different types of assets, you're ensuring that a downfall in one area doesn't bring your entire castle tumbling down. Remember, the goal isn't just to build wealth, but to keep it. So, put your armor on, fortify your castle, and keep a vigilant eye on your financial kingdom. Protecting your wealth is just as important as building it. Rule number 7. Plan for retirement. You might be thinking, retirement already? But I'm just starting out. And that, my friends, is exactly the point. Think of retirement planning as a marathon, not a sprint. The earlier you start, the more time you have to build up your nest egg. So how do you do it? Well, it's about more than just saving money. It involves investing wisely, diversifying your portfolio, and taking advantage of employer-matched retirement plans if available. It's about understanding that the money you put away now will grow exponentially over the years, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Remember, retirement is not an age, it's a financial status. It's about having the financial freedom to enjoy your later years without financial stress. So don't put it off. The best time to start planning for retirement was yesterday. The second best time is now. Rule number 8. Understand taxes. Taxes, my friends, are like those pesky mosquitoes on a summer night. You can't avoid them, but you can certainly prepare for them. Now, taxes play a significant role in personal finance. They reduce your disposable income, yes, but they also fund public goods and services that we all benefit from. So, where does tax planning come in? Well, it helps you take advantage of any legal opportunities to minimize your tax liabilities. It's like using a bug spray to keep those mosquitoes at bay. It includes strategies like tax-efficient investing and finding deductions you might be eligible for. Remember, tax laws are complex and change frequently, so it's crucial to stay updated. You don't want to miss out on a tax break because you weren't aware it existed, right? In a nutshell, taxes are inevitable, but tax ignorance is not. So, arm yourself with knowledge and keep those tax mosquitoes in check. Rule number 9. Continual learning. In the ever-evolving world of finance, staying static is not an option. Just like the markets, your financial knowledge should be in a state of constant growth. This rule is not about memorizing every term in the financial dictionary, but rather, it's about understanding the financial world around you, learning about new investment opportunities, keeping an eye on market trends, understanding economic indicators, and being aware of changes in tax laws are all crucial components of being financially literate. Continual learning can be as simple as reading a financial news article every day, or as complex as taking a course in advanced financial management. Remember, financial literacy is not a single event, but a lifelong process. Every bit of new knowledge you gain is another tool in your financial toolbox. And as the world changes, so should your toolbox. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep adapting. Financial literacy is not a destination, but a journey. Finally, rule number 10. Seek professional advice. You wouldn't perform surgery on yourself, would you? The same principle applies to your finances. Navigating the world of finance can be complex, much like a maze, and it's okay to ask for directions. Financial professionals, with their years of training and experience, can provide you with valuable insights and strategies tailored to your unique financial situation. They can help you make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and maximize your wealth. Imagine going to a new city without a map or GPS. You might eventually find your way, but it would take much longer and be far more stressful. A financial advisor is like your financial GPS, guiding you towards your financial goals. Remember, seeking professional advice isn't a sign of weakness. It's a smart move that shows you're serious about your financial future. When in doubt, ask. It's your money. Make sure it's working for you. So there you have it, the 10 rules of financial literacy. We began our journey with understanding income and expenses. It's like knowing the lay of the land before embarking on a quest. You know where you stand and where your money is coming and going. This is the first step towards financial literacy. Setting financial goals was our second rule. Goals give you a destination, a point to strive towards. Whether it's buying a house, saving for your child's education, or planning a trip around the world, knowing what you're working towards makes the journey worthwhile. Then came the creation of a budget, our third rule. It's like a roadmap to your financial goals. It guides you, keeping you on track, ensuring you don't stray into the land of unnecessary expenses. Our fourth rule was about saving and investing. It's not enough to earn money. You need to make your money grow. That's where saving and investing come into play. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. Understanding credit was our fifth rule. Credit can be a powerful tool if used wisely, but a destructive force if mishandled. It's like a double-edged sword that needs to be handled with care. Our sixth rule was about protecting your wealth. It's not just about accumulation, but preservation. It's like building a fortress around your hard-earned wealth, protecting it from unexpected financial storms. Planning for retirement, our seventh rule, is about ensuring a comfortable life in your golden years. It's like setting aside provisions for a long winter. Understanding taxes, our eighth rule, helps you navigate the complex world of taxation and make the most of tax-saving opportunities. It's like understanding the rules of a game to play it better. Continual learning, our ninth rule, keeps you updated with the changing financial landscape. It's about being a lifelong learner in the game of finance. And finally, our 10th rule was about seeking professional advice when needed. It's about knowing when to ask for help and leverage expertise, like calling in reinforcements when the battle gets tough. Remember, financial literacy is not about making money, but about making your money work for you.